Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss the day 2 of week 5 for quarter 1 in science 8 classification system, or the level of classification of living things. Objectives: identify the 3 domains and 6 kingdoms of life and classify organisms accordingly based on cell type, nutrition, cell structure, and reproduction. Appreciate the diversity of life by recognizing the importance of classification and understanding evolutionary relationships in the interconnectedness of living organisms, and differentiate between the characteristics of bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. For the activity, guess the kingdom. I make my own food, have cell walls, and don't move. What kingdom is this? Okay, the plant kingdom. I absorb nutrients from decaying matter and reproduce using spores. Okay, fungi. I'm a one-celled organism with no nucleus. Okay, eubacteria. I live in hot spring and salty lakes and I'm very old. The archaeobacteria. I'm an amoeba that moves and engulfs food. Okay, protista or protist kingdom. I have fur, move around, and eat other organisms. Okay, animalia or animal. All living things are first sorted into 3 domains, then further into 6 kingdoms. So the 3 domains of life, we have bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. And what is bacteria? Simple, single-celled organisms with no nucleus, or prokaryote. Mga organism na ang cells ng type ng cell nila ay walang nucleus. And archaea, also prokaryotes, but often lived in extreme environments like hot spring or salt lakes. And eukarya, more complex cells with nuclei, humans, animals, plants, and fungi. So ito na yung may nucleus ang kanilang cell type. Okay, the 6 kingdoms: Animalia, Plantae, Fungi, Protista, Archaeobacteria, Eubacteria. Each belongs to one of 3 domains: the bacteria, archaea, eukarya. Classification is based on the following. Paano ba classify ang mga living things? Number 1 po is the cell type. We have prokaryote and eukaryote, or eukaryotic and prokaryotic yung sa ibang libro po. Ang pagkakaiba po nito, pansin niyo sa picture pa lang nito, ang prokaryote napakasimple lang. So konti lang yung part, wala siyang ang sabi dito notronucleus. Kasi wala siyang nuclear membrane, walang separation ng nucleus kung nasaan. Unlike dito sa eukaryotes, sa eukaryotic cell, merong nucleus. So, the nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm. Itong labas ng ang nagsiseparate po niyan is the nuclear membrane. So, kung iano natin, much more complicated itong eukaryotes kumpara dun sa prokaryotes. Okay, number 2, in terms of nutrition, we have autotroph and heterotroph. Pag sinabi po nating autotroph, these are the organism or living things that can make their own food. So, nag-undergo siya ng photosynthesis process. Ang heterotroph naman, organism that does not make their own food. So, ayan, example nga po ng autotroph natin, plants. So, may mga bacteria po na nag-undergo ng photosynthesis process. We have phytoplankton, algae. Sa heterotroph naman po, yun, fungi. Ang fungi pala, kala natin parang halaman. Hindi pala siya plant. Because they cannot make their own food. So, considered siya as decomposer. Isa sa mga decomposer ang fungi and bacteria. Okay, ito yung mga parts ng cell. Yung sa may nucleus, ayan, cell walls, nucleus. Ang nucleus po yan yung command center ng cell. So, yan din ang carrier ng genetic information kapag ang topic natin ay doon sa genes or doon sa DNA. Ito po nagkikarry ng genetic information, ang nucleus. And lahat ng nangyayari sa cell, ang order ay nagmumula dito sa nucleus. Okay, number 3 is reproduction. In terms of reproduction, paano classify ang living things is based also on reproduction. We have asexual or sexual. Sexual reproduction, it involves 2 parents. We have the male and then the female gamete. Unlike in asexual reproduction, it only involves 1 parent. Ito yung 6 na kingdom na isa-isahin po natin ito. Yan. The 6 kingdoms of life. We have the Animalia, Plantae, Fungi, Protist, Eubacteria, Archaeobacteria. Pero nung time po namin, nung nasa 1990s, 2000, year 2000, during our yung high school days, Ang kingdom po nun is 5 lang. Itong Eubacteriang ito sa Archaebacteriang ito ay magkasama lang ito doon sa tinatawag na Monera dati, Moneran Kingdom. So number 1, the Archaebacteria. These are ancient bacteria often found in extreme environments. They are prokaryotic, o wala din silang nucleus, and unicellular or one-celled organism. And Eubacteria, also known as true bacteria. These are prokaryotic and unicellular organisms. So ano din po siya, one-celled organism, including common bacteria found everywhere. Okay, Protista. This kingdom is a diverse group of eukaryotic organism. So may nucleus na ang cell nito, yung eukaryotic cell, that don't fit into the other kingdoms. They can be unicellular or multicellular and include algae, protozoa, and slime molds. So sa under po ng Protista or Protist kingdom, mayroong tinatawag na unicellular and multicellular. Number 4, fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms, primarily multicellular, that obtain nutrients by absorbing organic matter from their surroundings. Example, it includes mushrooms, molds, and yeasts. So, parang plant lang ang itsura niya, pero hindi siya considered as plant. Kaya nga classify siya as fungi. Hindi siya tinatawag na autotroph, or it does not undergo the so-called photosynthesis process. Okay, the plant kingdom. This kingdom includes all plants which are eukaryotic, multicellular, and photosynthetic. They produce their own food using sunlight. And then the animalia or the animal kingdom. This kingdom contains all animals which are eukaryotic and multicellular, and typically obtain nutrients by consuming other organisms. So may ibang topic po dyan kung paano ba yung tinatawag natin na herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore, kung paano sila nagko-consume ng pagkain ng animal kingdom. Okay, ito. Isa to sa pwedeng gawin nating activity. Ayan, read short organism description. Identify the organism's domain and kingdom. Justify your choice in 1 to 2 complete sentences using key traits. Tingnan natin. Organism A, unicellular. Ito yung description niya. No nucleus. Lives in your own intestine and reproduces quickly. Oh, alam natin yan, common bacteria yan. Ano po? Ayan, domain niya is bacteria, kingdom is Eubacteria. So for justification, it is a unicellular organism with no nucleus, which places it in the bacteria domain because it lives in common environments like the human gut. It is classified under Eubacteria. Yun, for the continuation of the activity, pwede nating ituloy po ito, yung by groupings. Okay, poster paper or access to digital tools, pwede ito. List of organism na i-classify, karugtong nung dating activity. Ayan, label that domains, Archaeobacteria, Archaea, Bacteria, Eukarya. And then place the 6 kingdoms under the correct domain. Match each sample organism to its correct domain and kingdom. Long test. Dito tayo sa long test. Which kingdom contains organisms that are both autotrophic and heterotrophic? Fungi, Animalia, Protista, Plantae. Okay, the answer is Protist or Protesta. Number 2. What is the highest level of classification in living things? Kingdom, class, phylum, domain. Okay, the correct answer is domain. Number 3. Archaea are classified based on photosynthesis, size, extreme environments, reproduction. Okay, based on extreme environments. What domain contains organisms with complex cells? Bacteria, Archaea, Eukarya, virus. Okay, the answer is Eukarya. Which of the following is a eukaryotic kingdom? Okay, letter A, Archaeobacteria, Eubacteria, fungi, Cyanobacteria. Okay, fungi. Which organism is in the kingdom Plantae or plant kingdom? Amoeba, fern, yeast, algae. Okay, the correct answer is fern. Which kingdom includes decomposers like mushroom? Nabanggit natin to kanina. Plant, Plantae, Animalia, fungi, Protista. Okay, the answer is fungi. Eubacteria are found in which domain? Okay, bacteria. Which organism would likely be in the domain Archaea? Thermophile bacteria, blue whale, pine tree, mold. Okay, thermophile bacteria. Which domain includes all multicellular animals? Archaea, bacteria, eukarya, protista. Okay, eukarya. Okay, for true or false? Archaeobacteria live in extreme environments. Okay, that is true. All bacteria belong to the eukarya domain. Okay, false. Kasi ang bacteria ay pasok yan sa prokaryotic. Hindi siya eukaryotic. Mushrooms are classified as fungi. Okay, that's true. Algae are part of the Animalia kingdom. Okay, that is false. Protists are all multicellular. So, false kasi nga may uni and multicellular. Eubacteria have a nucleus. Okay, false. Plantae includes autotrophs. Okay, that is true. Animalia kingdom members can photosynthesize. Okay, false. Archaea and bacteria both lacks a nucleus. Humans are classified under the domain Eukarya. Okay, that is true. Another question. Domain of mushrooms. Okay, Eukarya. Kingdom of algae. Protista. Organisms that decompose. Okay, fungi. And pwede po dyan ang bacteria. Domain of E. coli. Okay, bacteria. Kingdom of lions. Animalia. Domain of thermophiles. Okay, Archaea. Simplest eukaryotic kingdom. Okay, the protist kingdom. Kingdom of moss. Plant. Domain of ferns. Okay, that is Eukarya. Kingdom of cyanobacteria.